And we'll go around and we'll have a look at the control panel. So the main control panel for the chiller is in here. And you can see what, if I go to system, that the chiller is on, cooling mode, shows return temperature, leaving temperature, ambient temperature. We can go into system set points and we can change return set point. For example, we can change that to 12 degrees. 12 degrees. So this is not a heating model. We have the YMPA range that has heating and cooling, but this one in particular is a cooling only chiller. So you can interrogate things like faults, reset faults, get other details. We can set schedules, get different information from the chiller. And that's you.